Hello everyone, this is Dr. Cui. So in this video, I'd like to discuss another very interesting question here. If you were stuck on Mars, what would be two drugs that you would bring with you? So in order to answer this question, we need to know that it can be any drugs, and but you have to give the interviewer a good reason why you want to use these drugs. And the, so actually, in order to give the interviewer a good answer, we'd better to know the environment in in the Mars. It should be a cold place with low oxygen and there and definitely there should be lack of fresh vegetables, fruits. So after knowing this, we can think about those drugs we want to bring with us for those in order to let us adapt to those conditions or environment quickly. So for example, we can for the low oxygen, we probably can think about the acetazolamide, and for the conditions that from the environment that lack of fresh fruits or vegetables, we can think about we probably need some vitamin C in order to get enough vitamin C in, in, to avoid the scurvy. So now I'm going to give you my answer for these questions. Okay, Dr. Cui, if you can bring two drugs with you in the space, like if you want to stay, you need to stay in the Mars. So what two medication you want to bring with you? Oh, I would say that's a very interesting question. So if I need to bring two medications, I really want to make sure that what kind of environment I will stay there. So for the Mars, I think that planet has a low oxygen and also there should be no vegetables or fruits there, fruit living there. So I probably think the first medication I probably would think about is acetazolamide, which can excrete more extra, which can help me which can help me excrete more alkali in my body and in order to make my body more acidic, so and drive my respiratory center to increase my respiration rate, and in order to expel uh, extra carbon dioxide to uh, and simultaneously uh, and inhale more oxygens in order to compensate for those low oxygen conditions. So that's definitely the first medication I would think about. And for the second medication, I would consider about vitamin C because there's no living fresh uh, even plants in the planet. So definitely there should be no fresh vegetables and fruits living in the planet in the Mars. So I would definitely would bring some vitamin C in case I would get a scurvy, which is a very dangerous diseases disease for the people. So especially for the people who are lack of enough fresh fruit or vegetables. So those are two medication I can think about. Okay, so you can see in my answer, I just give the interviewer the reason why I want to bring the two medication to the Mars because of those environment those conditions in Mars like low oxygen and no fresh vegetable fruits. So I definitely need these two medication in order to adapt to those kind of environment. No, so I just give you a clue for this question. So to answer this question, so I hope you can also create your own answer. Good.